In this video, I want to show you how to change or edit your name on Facebook. If for one reason you want to change or edit your name or add another name, I'll show you how to do it. Now, just make sure you are on the home page of your Facebook account. Then click on this icon which represents your account. When it opens, click on Settings and Privacy. Then click on Privacy Center. This will open a page like this. Then come to Common Privacy Settings. Click on it. It will open this page. Then click on Manage Your Account. Then here, click on your name. Here it will bring this page. Click on Name. You can see your name here. So if for one reason you want to edit your name or arrange your name, this is where to do it. For instance, I want to rearrange my name just like this. I'll put this as my last name. Then take note here, if you change your name, you can't change it again for 60 days. So don't add any unusual capitalization, punctuation, character or random words. So after you have entered or corrected your name, click on Review Change. So it will bring you a preview here. Just look at it the way you want it to be arranged. Look at it here. I want it to be arranged as the first one. Select it and click on Done. Immediately you do that, your name will be updated. As you can see it here, it has been updated. So essentially, this is how to change or edit your name on Facebook. Thank you for watching.